A mother pig gave birth to 3 little pigs, but one was a runt. The little pig was called a runt because he was undersized. But he grew up to be the wisest of the 3 little pigs. This is his story. One day Mother said, "When you grow up and go out into the world, be careful of the big bad wolf. He ate your father." While growing up, the laziest pig made fun of his little runt brother. He did not know that he was becoming a bully. A bully says unkind words and mistreats others. After several months, the little runt pig became the healthiest and strongest of the 3 little pigs. He listened to Mother when she told them to eat healthy foods and exercise each day. Later, the laziest and largest little pig became the smallest pig because he'd rather eat junk food, not exercise, and sleep all day. As for the little runt, he was becoming stronger and wiser each day. The 2 brothers were concerned about their lazy little brother. He was not healthy or wise and wanted to go first into the world and build a house of straw. While the lazy little pig was building his house of straw, a hungry wolf watched. In the meantime, the second little pig ate his food and left home to build his house of sticks. Last to leave was the runt pig to build his house of bricks. One day, the first little pig heard a knock on the door. The big bad wolf called to the first little pig. Little pig, let me come in."
No!
Squealed the first little pig.
Not by the hair of my chin.
"Then I'll huff and I'll puff till I blow your house down."
The little pig screamed,
Oh, no!
and ran to the second little pig's house. His brother was eating when the first little pig ran into the house of sticks. He told his brother about the big bad wolf. Soon, the big bad wolf came and shouted,
Little pigs, let me come in."
No!
cried the second little pig.
Not by the hairs on our chins. We will not let you in.
"Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down," yelled the wolf.
The 2 little pigs ran to the third little pig's house. He had built his house out of strong red bricks. The third little pig, the runt, was drinking some water when his frightened brothers arrived. He stayed calm because he was the wisest of the 3 little pigs. He told his brothers he knew one day the big bad wolf would come. That's why he built his house out of strong red bricks. The big bad wolf could never blow down his house of bricks. The big bad wolf banged on the door and yelled,
Little pigs, let me come in."
The wise third pig shouted,
Go away, wolf! I am not afraid of you.
This made the big bad wolf extremely angry. He huffed and puffed and huffed and puffed. The big bad wolf could not blow down the strong brick house. Half dead, the big bad wolf gave up and left forever.